So, what work for AI agents do you see for B2B sales for today?
Yes. So, well, thank you for this. And you know that Revenue Grid, the company I'm being co-founder with, we are revenue action platform. So for 20 years, we would do sales automation, and obviously this is our passion. And today we are AI-driven platform for AI assistants. That's how we define ourselves. So the question is right in spot. And yeah, there is the whole variety of use cases which I believe AI can do in sales, which goes, I believe, pretty much through the whole pipeline, from lead gen to renewals if you're in the subscription business, like literally through the whole pipeline. And I would even step back and talk a little bit about existence of CRM and how AI agents are coexisting or maybe substituting CRM or maybe disrupting CRM. So happy to talk about that. And if you don't mind, I would even share some slides and walk you through the story we believe in, if that would be helpful.
Yeah, sure. I guess seeing like is more applicable, like in our
Okay.
imagination.
So what we are saying is the age of CRM as we know it is gone. There is no more CRM like we know it. And here's what we mean by that. The CRM as we know, it's a system of records. It was designed to be able to collect the data, and people then have to enter that data into CRM one way or the other, and then process this data and show it to the management through the reports. So it's always this mirror-like view, like you're in the car looking in the mirror of a rear view to understand what was in the past. The problem with that DNA is that CRM in its initial design doesn't help people to sell. And that's exactly where AI agents may help, may revolutionize the things. Convert CRM from being system of records to something which is system of an action, or maybe substitute CRM, or maybe put CRM on the back end, use CRM as a database, but become that system of record, system of actions on top of system of records. And that should be very powerful, meaning that it should be focused on what people are needed and what they're trying to do. Sales reps needs to get their quotas achieved. Managers need to control situation. They need to understand that their forecasts are real and they would be achieving those forecasts. The tool should be super simple because no one likes redesigning workflows, re-educating people, going through onboardings. So that should be something which is as simple as you already have tools and processes. Get to that, understand it, work with this.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Just
overall,
sorry for interrupting you.
Uh-huh.
You mean just not like zero CRM, but zero input CRM, right? So I just given data and it is like enriching on
I
the
actually really mean zero CRM, but not in the sense that CRM should not exist. When I say zero CRM, treat this as a database which should be on the back end. For example, I bet Amazon has a database, but we do not query that database directly. We have a very nice UI. We go and shop on Amazon, and Amazon talks to us based on what we want to buy. It knows our preferences, knows our history, knows our intent, so it communicates with us much better than the database. Current CRM, mainly, that's a freaking database of records. We force people to enter data. That's why you say no zero entry, no data entry. When people are entering data, there are two problems right here. They may pervert the data. We're on a call with you. I'm putting the call report and I'm representing this in the way I want, but not in the way it really was. Second, I may just skip entering the data. So the problem is that even though CRM relies so much on the data is not always accurate and not always full. So that's a database, one way or the other. It's on the back end. And then what we really want from any sales tool is help me to close more business. Tell me what I should be focused on today, what lead I should process first, what should I tell to this customer or prospect, what should I fulfill from my promises in the past, etc. CRM doesn't have that by DNA. CRM is a reporting tool where I can see pipeline, tasks, leads, opportunities. Again, it's a database. And from that standpoint, people were not born to interact with CRM UI like that. That's why it should be zero CRM, it should be on the back end. It's a database, it should exist somewhere. Nobody should even take care about how it exists and what it does. But like engine in your car, back then, by the way, when you try to drive the car, you would need to know how to serve the engine because anything can happen. Today, you don't mind. Is this gas or electric or hybrid? You know that you will be driving a car. So that when I say zero CRM, it's like zero wariness CRM, zero invisible, if you would, to some degree.